Friends, we come here today at the invitation of Alan Scott Guy and Catherine Ruth Wakefield. The bond and covenant of marriage was established by God in creation. Christ gave importance to the institution of marriage by performing his first miracle at a wedding feast. God intended marriage for heart, mind, and body as an expression of joy. God intended it for mutual help and comfort in prosperity and adversity. So marriage is not to be entered into lightly. If I speak in the tongues of men and of angels, but have not love, I am only a resounding gong or a clanging cymbal. If I have the gift of prophecy and can fathom all mysteries and all knowledge, and if I have a faith that can move mountains, but have not love, I am nothing. If I give all that I possess to the poor and surrender my body to the flames, but have not love, I gain nothing. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It is not rude. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices in the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. But where there are prophecies, they will cease. Where there are tongues, they will be stilled. Where there is knowledge, it will pass away. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love.
Katie to be my wife.
I take you, Alan, to be my husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
Until we are parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Marriage is a covenant, an agreement. It is a sacred relationship not to be broken. Trust each other all of your lives. Always think the best of the other one. Do not consider separation to be an option. Rather, assume that constantly drawing nearer to each other is the only option for you. Always be lovers, but always be best friends as well. Love never fails.